Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony camcorder and you're trying to figure out how to charge the battery, or maybe you're here because you're having issues with the batteries not charging or not staying charged or getting discharged very quickly. So I'm going to really quickly go over the basics of how to charge it, and then I'm going to give you an option if you're having issues with batteries not staying charged. So very simply, with your battery inside the camcorder, you can actually charge it directly with it inside the camcorder by plugging your adapter right into this plug right here at the bottom right of the camcorder. Now, if you're having issues with the batteries not staying charged, I would encourage you to take a look at one of these aftermarket sets of batteries. Now you can get, it comes with an external charger and a couple of replacement batteries, so that you can, when one battery goes dead, you can just swap it out, put it on the charger, and then put the new battery in. They just slot in just like this. The whole charger plugs in, so you can be charging two batteries outside of the camera while you're actually using the camera. So if you're interested in it, I'll put a link in the description. I highly recommend it. Thanks a lot for watching.